everyone, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today we're going to be going into my skincare routine. I usually do this at night before I go to bed and after a shower. And this is also what I do to prep my skin before makeup. I have a lot of dark discoloration, but honestly, I look so much healthier. It looks glowy, it looks healthy, it looks refreshed. So we're going to start off by putting our hair away, basically putting it out of our face, just getting it out of the way. Before I did all of this, I had already washed my face. I used the Murad face wash and it's amazing. But then we're going to start off with a toner. This is an amazing mist. All of the products I'm going to be talking about today I received in my BoxyCharm throughout time and I love them. This one smells like lavender and it's amazing and hydrating for your skin. So I apply this all over my face and my neck along with all my other products I apply. Face, neck, just hydrate everything. So after this I apply a serum, and this serum honestly melts into your skin. It does not feel like it builds up with your moisturizer. So as you can see, it's a sleep serum, so I use it at nighttime, and it's for all skin types. So if you have dry skin, oily skin, you can use it. So let me know what you do for your skincare. I'm all new into this. I didn't honestly have a skincare routine previously, so if you have any tips, leave some down below. But it makes a big difference when you are applying moisturizer to your face right before makeup. So after all of this, I put on one of my favorite moisturizers. This is by Farmacy. I love the smell of it. It does not give me allergies because the scent isn't too crazy, but it moisturizes without making me feel like I have a ball of grease on my face. So I just put little dabs around my face. Honestly, you guys don't know this, but I can't see what I'm doing. I'm looking at the mirror, but I couldn't see. My glasses weren't on. But I put this all over my face. Sometimes I just put this on and it looks so good. It makes my skin look so good. So after putting the moisturizer, I also apply some on my hands, and then I go in with my eye cream. I have a lot of dark circles, and honestly, the eye cream doesn't take away the dark circles, but it does help with my texture. I have a lot of texture currently because I've had really bad allergies lately. So I have bumps all over my eyes, and this has helped so much. It reduces all of that texture and makes it look a lot smoother. And honestly, I have oily eyelids and this does not make it worse. I can put this on before makeup and it does not cause my eyeshadow to move around. So I then go in with this moisturizer. This is more of a mask that you put on at nighttime. I use it a few times a week and it is so good. It feels like you are hydrating your skin to the maximum. So I basically put this moisturizer maybe 3 times a week, and it is very thick. So you're definitely going to feel it on your skin, but you're supposed to wear it all night, and it definitely feels so much better in the morning. I don't really like to use it before makeup because it is so thick. It has little particles in it that feel, I guess, like orange peels. I think that's what it's supposed to be like. But honestly, it is amazing. Like, I love this. I'm definitely going to buy more of this. Like, just look how hydrated my skin looks after this. It doesn't feel sticky and it doesn't like make my skin feel tight or anything or weird. It just feels very moisturized. So after this, I love to go in and moisturize my lips. I feel like my lips can get chapped very easily. I am not a water drinker. I do not hydrate. But this is the last step of my makeup routine. Just getting this in, getting my lips moisturized. And honestly, it feels so good to have your lips moisturized, especially when you go ahead and put matte lipsticks on. So basically this was it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know if you like anything that I've done. Like the video. Bye!